Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best tennis rackets. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Struggling to control your shots or feeling extra vibration in your arm after playing tennis? Many beginner and recreational players face the same issue: poor power transfer, discomfort, and inconsistent control. If that sounds like you, this racket might be the upgrade you need. This is the Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3 Adult Recreational Tennis Racket, a lightweight, power-focused racket designed for easy playability and comfort. Oversized head for a larger sweet spot, making it easier to hit clean shots. Lightweight frame, around 0.24 kilograms, for fast swings and reduced arm fatigue. Hammer technology shifts weight toward the head for extra power on shots. Composite plus graphite construction for a mix of durability and responsiveness. Vibration dampening design helps reduce impact stress on the arm. Easy maneuverability, ideal for quick rallies and defensive play. Pros: very beginner friendly and forgiving. Lightweight and easy to swing. Good power with minimal effort. Comfortable for long sessions. Cons: not ideal for advanced competitive players. Less precise control compared to high-end rackets. Oversized head may feel less stable on advanced shots. Perfect for beginners, casual players, and recreational tennis lovers who want an easy, comfortable racket that helps generate power without requiring advanced technique. Not ideal for tournament level or highly experienced players. At around $169, it sits in the mid-range recreational category, offering solid comfort and power for beginners, but slightly premium for its skill level focus. Number 4. This is the Babolat Boost S Tennis Racket, a lightweight, easy-to-handle racket designed for players who want effortless power and smooth playability. Lightweight design, 280G, for fast swing speed and easy maneuvering. Graphite frame and shaft for better responsiveness and stability. Large sweet spot helps beginners and casual players hit cleaner shots. Power-oriented design reduces effort needed to generate depth and pace. All skill level friendly setup, suitable for improving players. Comfort-focused build to reduce arm fatigue during long sessions. Pros: very lightweight and easy to swing. Great for beginners and improving players. Comfortable feel with good power assistance. Forgiving sweet spot for inconsistent hits. Cons: not designed for advanced competitive control. Less precision compared to pro-level rackets. Basic construction feel compared to premium models. Perfect for beginners, casual players, and intermediate learners who want a lightweight racket that helps generate power easily without demanding advanced technique. Not ideal for tournament-level players who need maximum control and precision. At around $120.99, it offers solid value for entry to mid-level players, especially those looking for a comfortable, easy power racket without spending too much. Number 3. This is the Wilson Clash 108 V2 Performance Tennis Racket, a high-end, arm-friendly racket built for advanced players who want comfort with modern control. 45-degree frame technology for enhanced flexibility and stability. Large 108 SQ and head size gives a bigger sweet spot and more forgiveness. Exceptional arm comfort reduces vibration and impact stress. Balanced power plus control design for modern all-court play. Carbon fiber construction for strength and responsive feel. Unstrung performance setup lets advanced players customize string tension. Pros: extremely comfortable on the arm. Big sweet spot improves consistency. Great mix of power and control. Premium build quality and feel. Cons: expensive for casual players. Not ideal for beginners due to advanced feel. Needs proper string setup to unlock full performance. Perfect for intermediate to advanced players who want a comfortable racket with modern flexibility, especially those who play long matches or have arm sensitivity issues. Not recommended for absolute beginners. At around $269, it's a premium level racket. You're paying for advanced materials, comfort technology, and customization potential. Best value only if you're serious about improving performance or already playing competitively. Number 2. This is the Head Geospeed Adult Tennis Racket, a lightweight, pre-strung racket built for beginners who want easy power and simple handling. Lightweight design, around 10.4 ounces, for easy swing speed and control. Pre-strung setup so it's ready to play right out of the box. Extended 27.5-inch length adds extra reach and leverage on shots. Titanium plus graphite frame for a balance of durability and flexibility. Light balanced design helps generate effortless power. Large sweet spot makes it more forgiving on off-center hits. Pros: very beginner-friendly and easy to use. Affordable price point. Good power for casual play. Ready-to-play pre-strung design. Cons: limited control for advanced players. Basic build compared to higher-end rackets. Not suitable for competitive performance tennis. Perfect for absolute beginners, casual players, and first-time tennis learners who want an easy, low-cost racket to start playing immediately. Not ideal for intermediate or advanced competitive players. At just $60.99, it's one of the most budget-friendly options. Great value if you're starting tennis and don't want to invest heavily at the beginning, but you'll eventually outgrow it as your skills improve. Number 1. This is the Wilson Burn 100 ULS V5 Performance Tennis Racket, an ultralight, spin-focused racket designed for fast and aggressive play. Ultralight frame, 9.7 ounces, for lightning-fast swing speed. Carbon fiber construction for strength with a crisp feel. Spin-friendly design helps generate heavy topspin shots. Fast maneuverability ideal for quick reactions at the net and baseline. Unstrung performance setup allows custom string tuning for advanced players. Headlight balance improves control during fast rallies. Pros: extremely fast and easy to swing. Great for spin-heavy playing style. Good for quick defensive and counter shots. Lightweight reduces arm fatigue. Cons: less stable on powerful shots. Not beginner-friendly due to advanced feel. Needs proper string setup to unlock full potential. Perfect for advanced or competitive players who rely on speed, spin, and quick reactions. Also great for players with strong technique who prefer lightweight rackets for aggressive baseline play. Not suitable for beginners. At around $169, it sits in the performance category. You're paying for speed, spin control, and advanced carbon fiber construction, best value if you already have solid tennis fundamentals. If you're serious about upgrading your game, check the link in the description for the best deal. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more tennis gear reviews and comparisons. Tennis.